Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to calculate the root mean square speed using the Maxwell distribution. So to calculate the root mean square or VRMS, we find the average value of the V square, meaning that uh, mean speed square, and by multiply by V square with the corresponding NV delta V, and then divided by the total number of particles, so that become equal to root mean square velocity. So V average square is equal to 1 over n into V square NV delta V, and this is mathematical form of this one. So if I put the value of nv here, so we'll get with this value, which is the Maxwell velocity, this one. Now if I multiply this one, so we'll get v4, this will become v square, this is also v square, this will be 4, and this is the term which we have rearranged this one, and n will cancel with n1. Now uh, this is equal to 4 pi integral 0 into infinity m by 2 k pi kt 3 by 2 v4 e to the power minus mv square divided by 2 kt delta v. Now 4 by square root n, that will be 0 to infinity. I have simplified this one. This will be 2 m by 2 kt 3 by 2 v cube, and this value again the same. Now if I multiply this one by 2 kt divided by m, so that 4 by square root pi 2 kt divided by m, and this will be 4 m by 2 kt 1 over 2, and this is again m by 2 kt 1 over 2. So this is, I have multiplied this one and I have divided this one, so we will get the same result, and this is the value that I have replaced here. Now V average will be equal to 4 by pi, and this will become equal to, this is V4, and if I add this one, this will become also this one, and this value will become also v4. So I have combined this into a single term, so that is why m by 2 kt half and v into the power 4, and this is e to the power minus mv square, and this term is again coming into their own place. Now if I assume that m by 2 kt half into v is equal to t, so if I differentiate this one, so this will be equal to m by 2 kt half delta v is equal to delta t. If v 0, t will also 0, and if v infinity, t will also goes to the infinity. So it means no change in the limits during the integration. Therefore, v average will be equal to 4 by pi 2 kt divided by m 0 to infinity t 4 e to the power minus u delta t. Now, as this is uh, a special function, which is we call it gamma function 0 to infinity t to the power 4 e to the power minus u delta t, and that is equal to constant. This is equal to a value 3 square root pi by 8. This integral, whole integral, is equal to this one. So if I put the value of the integral 3 pi divided by this one by 8, so we'll get with so only this mathematics, and that is equal to, if I simplify this one, so that will be equal to V average square will be equal to 3 kt divided by m. Now VRMS is actually the square root of the average of the square, so that is why that will be equal to 3 kt divided by m. Now putting the value of k, so it will become r by na. Now this m na, this is again the same procedure that we have applied in the previous two speeds. VRMS is now equal to 3 rt divided by m.